Hello guys, welcome back at CLN app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to use GoHighLevel for restaurants. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be looking on a way for you to start using GoHighLevel here for restaurants. Well, using GoHighLevel is something that's kind of complex. So referring to a guide or in this case an article to build one is something really important. So you know what you do next, what you can refer to. So in this case, you need to go first to their official support page, which is going to be help.gohighlevel.com. Now in here at the very top, you want to go to knowledge base. Now under knowledge base, what we need to do is we want to look for a very specific section here. Now, it's going to be under the industry playbooks. Now, let's go ahead and click on view all. Now, under industry playbooks, this actually gives you different playbooks regarding certain industries. So that includes restaurants. Now, there are going to be a lot of options that you choose here. So there are different industries, but let's go ahead and focus on restaurants or bar. Let's go open it up. Now from here, it's going to give you different links that you can access here, like for example, capturing leads, nurturing your leads here, turning it to sales, and a lot more. Now basically, you can go and access the appropriate links here to start learning how you can apply GoHighLevel here for restaurants. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to CLN app. Thank you for watching.